Good morning, it's Christian from reviewsandcoffee.com. I just wanted to share another way that our family uses to save money. I'm going to talk to you about a website called Ebates.com. The basic function of this site is if you check out through any of their supported stores that they promote, you get cash back for using those websites. You can see up here in the corner, I've received $158 back since we started using the website. I think we've been using it about 6 months or so, something like that. And we've received 2 checks from them. So basically how it works is you can see down here there's a bunch of stores that they support. If there's a particular category or item that you wanted to buy, you can just type it into the search bar up here. So let's see, we'll just type in hiking gear and see what comes up. So here's a list of websites that might sell hiking gear. Looks like they have camping stuff, hiking gear, all that kind of stuff. So that's one way to use it. You can also just kind of browse around the site and look for the best deals. Wednesday's hot deals for Walmart, 10% cash back on end of season jewelry, Levi's, Ralph Lauren. So a lot of good name brand stuff here. Occasionally there are special offers, like you can see up here, triple cash back stores. So on these sites you're getting 3 times back the normal cash back. So let's see, Gilt, you get 12%. It was 4. So you want to keep an eye on your favorite websites to see if they ever go into these triple cash back. They also, I've never used it. I haven't really tried it, but there is an in-store cash back where you download their app, and I believe you scan your receipt or something like that, and then you earn cash back that way. Hot deals is all the latest, greatest deals. There's travel and vacations. You can also earn money. This is what I'm doing with this video. You can refer people to Ebates, and you earn $15, and the person who starts using it through your link gets $10 with their first time they spend $25 through the website. So there's also an extension. I'm using Safari, but there's also one for Chrome. You can see the little Ebates thing up here. So it shows I've earned $158 total. What you use this for is you want to install that into your browser as an extension in either Safari or Chrome. And then when you go to a website that's supported, you'll get a pop-up that says this website is supported by Ebates. So you can go ahead and sign into Ebates and earn some money back. So for example, I use Bluehost for our website, bluehost.com. And you can see up here in the corner, as soon as I signed in, Ebates, activate $10 cash back. So if I was going to go ahead and shop this website right now, you want to make sure to hit this activate $10 cash back. If you don't push that, you're not going to get your cash back. So you want to always make sure that you're looking for that. If there's a site that's not supported, like say Amazon.com, I believe is not supported. Yeah, Amazon.com is not supported, so it doesn't have the little pop-up. So that's just a nifty tool that you can use just when you're browsing the internet looking for deals. Another more advanced strategy you could do is you could check out through Ebates and then also use a credit card that you earn cash back or points to add to your savings. I think you'll find that these savings between the cash back from Ebates and any points or cash back that you earn on your credit cards can really compound over time. So check it out. Check out my link in the description below if you want to sign up for this, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.